Number 4. The antioxidants found in many green and white teas are not blank in preventing weight gain, but they do eliminate certain toxins, making overall good health more blank. So, we got lots of stuff going on in here and lots of traps because, as you know, not brings about double negatives. So, in terms of our triggers, we know that but is a massive one. So, clearly we know that this is a contrast sentence. Now, looking at this second half first, because this is a portion that does not have a not. It says, but they do eliminate certain toxins, making overall good health more blank. So if these things are eliminating toxins, that's going to make good health more accessible, achievable, something along those lines. So that is our prediction for the second blank. Now, reverting back to the first portion, it says, the antioxidants found in many green and white teas are not blank in preventing weight gain. So maybe it's going to be that they're not useful because it's a negative. So they're not useful in preventing weight gain, but they are good at predicting overall good health. So the first blank is useful. And once again, we see positive, positive on a contrast sentence because of that little not in there. So now moving on to the answer choices. The second blank says attainable. So that's definitely along the lines with accessible, so that gets a check. Then we have impossible. That's exactly the opposite of something that's accessible or attainable. So we get rid of B. Pointless. That's kind of a random word, and it's definitely nothing close with accessible, so you just get rid of that. Letter D says understood. So making overall good health more understood, not really working for us, so you get rid of it. And then letter E, more affordable. It doesn't necessarily say anything about money or price here, so that's out. So this is the type of sentence that we love because all we had to do was look at that second blank first, and we eliminated every single answer choice except the correct one, which is A. And just to double check, you want to look at the first blank, which is effective. So reading that whole sentence together, it makes perfect sense. It says, the antioxidants found in many green and white teas are not effective or useful, which works perfectly, in preventing weight gain, but they do eliminate certain toxins, making overall good health more attainable. Perfect.